Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking one strong idea and writing a tight hook for the first 3 seconds. That sells your short. Next, pick AI tools, a prompt-driven script generator, a TTS or voice model, and a visual maker. Once done, draft a 15-45-second outline with beats, hook, value, CTA. Make sure to set a vertical 9:16 canvas at 1080 x 1920 now so assets fit. Begin generating the first script paragraph immediately. You now generate the full short script with the AI model. Keep lines punchy and under 8 seconds each so cuts land. Use an image or clip generator to produce 3-6 visual shots that match each line. Once done, create the voice, either high-quality TTS or your recorded take. Make sure to match timing by stretching or cutting visuals to the voice track and add 0.5 transitions for rhythm. Check contrast and readable on-screen text at mobile size. You finalize by exporting H.264 at 1080 x 1920, 3060 FPS, keeping duration under 60 seconds. That meets YouTube Shorts rules. Once done, craft a short title, add 3 targeted tags, and write a one-line hook for the description. Make sure to enable a custom thumbnail if you want more clicks. If things go wrong, check audio drift first, relink voice to timeline, normalize to -14 LUFS, and ensure safe title area to fix crop problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.